Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave's Wreaths and Things. Today is something a little wicked. Today I am creating these wicked t-shirts for Halloween using a Dollar Tree wooden sign. Why don't I just get started and I'll show you how I made them. At the Dollar Tree I picked up two t-shirts, one is in a dark green and one is in a black, along with this small wooden wicked sign, which I thought is really cool. And as well, today I'm going to be using a solution that is 50% water and 50% bleach. And along with that, I'm going to have some paper towels as well. This is what I'm going to use today to create our t-shirts. How I'm going to start is I'm just going to lay my t-shirt nice and flat. Make sure it's wrinkle-free. If you do have wrinkles, just give it a quick iron. Other than that, I'm going to lay it down flat and I'm going to place that wicked sign kind of right in the center at the top. I'm going to place it there, just keep it in place. And I'm not going to glue it down or anything. And I'm going to take my bleach solution and I'm going to start spraying over top of it. And what I really want to do is I want to concentrate the most concentrated bleach, I guess, around the sign such that what happens is that when the bleach comes in contact with the shirt, it will change color. And then anything underneath the sign will stay its original color. And then what I'm going to do is after I'm spraying it, I'm just going to sop up the excess with my paper towel on the sign and on the t-shirt. And then I'm just going to kind of watch what the bleach does. So with the green, you can kind of see the purple coming through already. So the t-shirt was originally green and the purple's coming through. And once I'm kind of happy with the results, I'm going to take that sign off and then you can see the difference once that sign comes off. You can see the green and the purple with the bleach solution. Now, once I'm happy with the result, I'm going to take that shirt and throw it in cold water, rinse all the bleach off, and that'll stop the bleaching effect. And once it's all dry, here's the beautiful effect of that spray solution on this t-shirt. I just love how this turned out. And I'm going to try it on a black t-shirt as well. I'm doing the exact same method. This time around, on the black shirt, the bleach solution produced a orange effect, which I thought was really cool. I absolutely loved it. And you know what? I placed this one kind of on an angle. The first one was kind of straight. But then once I'm happy with how the orange looks, I'm going to take that off, put it in my cold water solution, let it dry, and here are my two wicked t-shirts all set, all ready for Halloween. What do you guys think of them? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear if you tried this as well. I had a lot of fun today. Thank you so much for stopping by and for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye for now.